Guys, now we are going to solve for x and y for this nice problem. X times square root of y minus y times square root of x is equal to 54, and x times square root of x minus y times square root of y is equal to 189. You number this equation as 1 and 2. Okay, now we have to rewrite this equation and simplify it. So from equation number 1, we have x can be written as square root of x the whole square, isn't it? Times square root of y minus, in the same way, y can be written as square root of y the whole square times square root of x is equal to 54. So from this, square root of x square root of y is common. So take it outside. Square root of x times square root of y is common. Take it outside. What is remaining? After taking this, and one term is left out. One square root of x is left out, and here one square root of y is left out, is equal to 54. Or you can write this to be, that is square root of a times square root of b can be written as square root of ab. You can write it. So this term can be written as square root of xy times square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 54. So number this equation as 3. In the same way, we try to rewrite this equation 2 also. Okay, so from equation 2 we have x can be written as square root of x the whole square times square root of x minus y can be written as square root of y the whole square times square root of y is equal to 189. So from this you have square root of x the whole cube. Here base is same, so we can add the powers, minus, in the same way here also square root of y whole to the power 3 is equal to 189. Okay, so this is our equation 4. Now we have the formula a minus b the whole cube is equal to, so here we rewrite this term. In order to apply this, we use this formula, square root, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3 times, here we have 3 times ab times a minus b. You can rewrite the formula like this in order to apply the known results. Okay, so here a is equal to root x and b is equal to root y. Substitute the term root x minus root y the whole cube is equal to root x whole cube minus root y whole cube minus 3 times root x root y times root x minus square root of y. Okay, so here you know that square root of x the whole cube minus square root of y the whole cube is equal to 189, and here square root of x times square root of y times square root of x minus y is equal to 54. So we have to use this result here. So this is 189 minus 3 times this value is equal to 54 from equation 3. Okay, this is 54. Okay, so what is this value? That is 3 times 54. 189 minus 3 times 54 is 162. Okay, so we get square root of x minus square root of y the whole cube is equal to, what is 189 minus 162, which is 27. So this value is equal to 27. Or you have taking cube root on both sides. We have here cube root of square root of x minus square root of y the whole cube is equal to cube root of 27. So this cube and this cube root get cancelled, and here 27 can be written as cube root of 3 power 3. 3 to the power 3 is 27. So this cube root and this cube get cancelled. So we have square root of x minus square root of y value is equal to 3. One result we got it. Okay, and again this is, you number this equation as 4. Now square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 3. Here look at the equations here. Equation 3 contains the square root of x minus square root of y. So we can substitute here. Okay, so substituting equation 4 in equation 3, we get square root of xy times, here square root of x minus square root of y is replaced by 3 is equal to 54, or square root of xy is equal to 54 over 3, and here 1 times 3 is 3, and 8 times 3 is 24. So square root of xy is equal to 18, or you can squaring on both sides, isn't it? So square root of xy the whole squared is equal to 18 squared, or you have this square root and this square get cancelled. So xy is equal to xy is equal to 18 squared is 324. Okay, so and from this you can get the value of y. Y is equal to 324 over x, or you can get the value of x in terms of y and substitute some other term. Okay, so we have this expression also, sorry, this equation also. Okay, this is number. So now we square this on both sides. Okay, squaring. Why we are squaring? In order to apply the known results here. Okay, so squaring equation 4 on both sides. What is equation 4? Square root of x minus square root of y the whole squared is equal to 3 squared. Okay, so this is 3 squared. So that is a minus b the whole squared formula is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. We have to apply. So square root of x the whole squared minus 2 times square root of x square root of y plus square root of y the whole squared is equal to 3 squared is 9. But here this square root and this square get cancelled, and here also these two terms get cancelled and plus is there. So x plus y minus 2 times square root of x into y can be written as square root of xy is equal to 9. Okay. And just now we got the value square root of xy, isn't it? Square root of xy is equal to 18. Square root of xy is 18. So substitute the value here. So x plus y minus 2 times square root of xy is 18 is equal to 9. Or you have x plus y minus 36 minus 9 is equal to 0. Take this 9 to here. Okay. Or you have x plus y minus 45, isn't it? Is equal to 0. Or you have x plus y is equal to 45. Take this 45 to other side, minus 45 becomes plus 45. Okay, and what is the value of y? Here we get the equation in terms of x, no, x and y. We already have the equation in terms of y in terms of x, isn't it? Y is equal to 324 by x. So we have to substitute here. Okay, so x plus y value is 324 divided by x is equal to 45. So from this, you take the multiply this here. So x squared, from this x squared plus 324 over x is equal to 45. Or you have x squared plus 324 is equal to, you take this x this side, 45x. Or you have x squared minus 45x, take this plus 45x to this side. So you have minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. We had to solve this. 324 is divisible by 4, isn't it? 8 4s are 32, 1 4s are 4, and here 9 9s are 81, and we need 45. So here 81 plus 4 minus 4, you won't get 45. But here when you multiply these two terms, 36 plus 9, you get 45. Okay, so here we need minus 45, so you have to subtract these two terms. Okay, so from this you can write this to be x squared minus 36x minus 9x, this 45x can be written like this, plus 324 is equal to 0. Or otherwise you can take x outside, x minus 36 minus 9, you can take it outside, x minus 36 is equal to 0. So x minus 9 times, here x minus 36 is taken outside. So left out term is x minus 9 is equal to 0. So from this, x minus 9 is equal to 0, or x minus 36 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 36 are the answers for this problem. And one trick I'll give you here, after this expression, no need to write this thing and all. Here you factorize this term, you get 36 and 9, no, minus 36 minus 9. Directly you can write this step. X minus 9 times x minus 36 is equal to 0. No need to do these two steps and all. Okay. Now, this is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.